of the graphic industry, like Heidelberg. The quality levels in Germany, Benelux are much higher than in the United States, all those kind of things. So if you are successful in Germany, yeah, you can be successful everywhere because the limit is very high over there. We established our company in 2013 in Düsseldorf, yeah, and from 2030 onwards we became more or less the market leader. Yeah. And we became a market leader, and we became the standard. And I show you a few customers of us. First of all, packaging. One of the largest packaging printer in the world is DS Smith. I think DS Smith have more than 30,000 employees all over the world. Have almost in every country they have a plant. Yeah, and they are one of the largest packaging. They especially chose for CRON. Yeah, because we are still on the good side, and we are very developed with health and safety rules. The more and more we get health and safety rules, and we combine that together with at this time with this day printing with a KBA press. And here you can see the configuration of CRON. This is one of the success. You can see here all kind of lights. This kind of huge companies, they have a very high demands of health and safety. Yeah. And it's very difficult to let's say to let the Krause and this time and the CRON and the Glunziense that they all can talk to each other. Yeah. We could manage that. We did it on a normal way, and therefore the DS Smith group chose worldwide for CRON as the preferred supplier for CTP. Yeah, also if you have a CRON or have a DS Smith customer in your balcony area, then you can say we are preferred because we have all the things they needed, we made. This is DS Smith in UK, Lockerbie. So we always have 2 or 3 plants already from DS Smith. This is in Lockerbie. Same situation, they also have a KBI press to print packaging. And also the same CRON line, VLF line 72 with 2 pallets, Krause loaders. You can place 2 pallets in plating machines. You see it on the other side. Then we have in packaging Switzerland. You know, also Switzerland has a high quality level. You know, all the watches and all this kind of press. So we are very successful in Switzerland. They're also printing. Also the same line, the 72 VLF line as we saw by the DS Smith group. Belgium, packaging, also the same line. So packaging, more or less, we are the standard. It's a simple 72 unit. Then we go to the internet printers. Yeah, so we have just had packaging, now we go to the internet printers. Internet printers are, let's say, more or less, they eat all the print jobs what is necessary. So they are customers, they have 2 or 3 printing presses. They run 7 days a week, 24 hours a day, and they have most of the time 2 or 3 CTPs, and they use 100,000 square meter per CTP per year. It's still full production. So they gather all the small print shops, eat all the work, and do it together in production. Here you can see it. You see 2 lines of Heidelberg XL 106, yeah, 8 color machines. Yeah, they run 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And here you see 2 lines of CRON. CRON has their own pallet loader, so you don't have to load the machine anymore. A complete pallet of plates goes into the machine, and those machines, they run those 100,000 plates a year. This is a package, also package printer, Solid Solutions. It's maybe you know the name Smurfit Kappa. Yeah, so this is also a part of them. They have a small line 62. Then we have a VOB in Heidelberg. It's a large format printer. Also it's a large format CRON unit. Also again we have an internet printer, Kamper Nauta in the Netherlands. They have 3 lines of CTPs, so they produce 250, 300,000 square meter a year, full production. They always chose for CRON. This customer runs already 3 years with 100,000 plates per machine per year. And you're all welcome to visit, or there's a, let's say, a website. You can check this customer, and it's running very well. This is one of our largest company. This CRON Media. Did you ever visit it? Did you ever visit this company? I don't think. I in the past I visited with a lot of customers. you're definitely going to visit this customer, because we start with this customer, we start each color next month. This is one of the largest printers. This is the layout of their printing house. They have 3 times Heidelberg XL 8 color machines. They have here a digital web press from Canon digital web press, after press, and here's the pre-press. They have 5 CDPs. Yeah? This company runs 1 million square meter, have 5 CDPs. You see it fully automatically. Yeah, so all the plates are fully automatically in 5 lines. They go automatically through the wall. They go into the print house, and when they go into the wall to the print house, there's a trolley, and they know exactly which plate has to go to which press, fully automatically. Because in Europe, Germany, Benelux, labor is very expensive, so we do complete automatization. By this customer, even they're working 100 people, but there may be 6 on the office. Yeah, and a lot of robots are running there. So if you see that paper has to go to a guillotine, then a robot comes to press, takes the paper and drives it to the guillotine and carries it. So no people are working anymore. Most things is automatization. This is Royal Sense in the Netherlands. It's a very high-level customer in the high-end, also packaging Comanche press. Also here you see a few lines. You see here also a Krause pallet loader. We cooperate with, let's say, CRON is doing very good what we can do. We also know what we not can do, and therefore we have good partners like Krause. So when we have a CRON pallet loader, we only have one size. If customers need more size, we can go over to Krause. So in the back you see this pallet loader, and in front you see a 200, the newest, you know the machine, the H model. Mensen lopen al weg. Maybe you have to sing a song. This is a Comanche press where they make plates for. Yeah. Comanche is a manufacturer of printing presses, for packaging, and they are in Spain. Yeah, and also they chose for CRON. So in their showroom they have a CRON H model that people want to buy a press. They'll see the CRON of having the CRON machine. We go to Spain, we are in Spain, so also in Spain we are very successful. We have a lot of installations on really on the high-end market. Yeah. Here we have a customer profile. Customer says 50 years, family-owned company. We have 2 lines of CRON, a VLF line and a normal line. Again, the other line, photos from the other side. We have Grupo Miralas, one of the largest groups in Spain, also chose the CRON machines. There's the CRON machines. Graphic tonight. Interstar in Spain. Uniprint in Italy. I work a little bit fast because otherwise things you go. You cannot hear it anymore.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
It can.
Will I start all over? So I start from the beginning? Okay, this is the 72H machine. Then we go to Germany. Germany is, let's say, normally very difficult because the quality level is very high and they always want to have Heidelberg plate setters, Heidelberg presses, you know that of course, Agfa. Now one of the largest companies is Hauser GmbH in Germany. We do business with them for 4 years. I think they have now 3 lines of CRONs. Yeah? They have also Heidelberg XL, 10 colors, 8 color, etc., etc. And they have 3 lines of CRON. They have 3 lines of CRON standard with the pallet loader. Yeah, and they were the first to buy the double drum machine. Yeah, but you know the double drum. So they have 2 normal lines and 1 double drum. Also, this is a customer who uses 400,000 square meter a year. Yeah, and it's a very, very high reputation in the German market about quality and about stability and standards. Zilberdruck, also a very huge company in Germany. Yeah. They're running with KBI printing presses. They started with 1 line, they had Kodak lines, and now they have also 3 lines of CRON. All our customers, you can have a copy, you can visit, you can contact these customers, and they're all happy users. Then we have DCM-Druck in Germany. Also DCM-Druck bought a double drum machine. You see here the double drum machine. Then we go to Croatia. I think a little bit more known from you. there I can, Mirko can say more about this customer as I have. I can. They also have a KBI bow, so you see also in Croatia the end level of high level printers working with CRON, thanks to modern CRON line, the H model. Then we have print shop also in Serbia. Thanks to prepress print, also here we are very successful. Also you see a high level of printer, KBI printing press. No, I don't see you ever someone on the photo, only Ivana. This is this is the last customer. I think we had it 3 months ago. Yeah, it was a huge. No, this is this one. Dame. Yeah. Dame drukkers is one of the most. I say if you can sell a down and they know it in the Netherlands, then you really have the best products. They were completely full. They had 4 Kodak machines and they swapped one by one. And now you see very modern. They have 3 lines of CRON with pallet loaders, fully automatic plate transport to the plates. Owned by 2 brothers, Dame. And you see here a very modern printing facility. Then we have one of the oldest and largest companies in Netherlands and let's say publishing. Yeah, so magazines, they print magazines and they were at in the past high level, but magazines disappear a little bit, so they're suffering sometimes, but also they switch completely to CRON. So there's the manufactory. Yeah, a little bit story about the profile of the company, you can read it. And also they bought a pallet loader with CRON, and now we are negotiating to change the Lusher machine on the VLF to CRON. That's one thing. I think it's not necessary to show the Flexo. I think maybe it's necessary that I show something about the Drupa. Yeah, I think that's... What? No, I think that they have the same story for the Flexo. Okay. Brilletje opzetten, anders I cannot see it without glasses. Good. Next year we have Drupa, one of the most important shows in the world about the graphic industry. Due to Corona, we swapped one. So the last was in 2016. 2020 is cancelled. So now we have 2024. You see, I'm gray hair, so for me it's now the number 10 Drupa, because the first one I was in 82 on the show. Then at 86, then 19, 95, 2000, 2004, 2008, 2012, 2016. Oh, he was thinking. So I helped him. We have a booth of 311 square meter here. And the most topic of CRON during the show, of course, we show our latest, because CRON is one company who still, it's the last demo we can, who still has R&D in CTP. So we developed a double drum machine that we have, let's say, to that during the exposing, the other plate can load and unload and punched, and then it's ready, you can continue this exposing. So we have this this state-of-the-art in CTP, but also we try to get CTP still competitive with digital. Yeah, and one of the costs of digital is always, that you can sell your first sheet. Yeah? In offset, you have to throw away the first 100 sheets, 150 sheets. But therefore, CRON developed Easy Color, that we have a system that we change the total ink production on the press, but we can place on every press, or a KBA or a Heidelberg more. We're going to start next month in the Netherlands with a Heidelberg press, and also during the show Drupa and Düsseldorf we have a printing press on the show. Yeah, we put Easy Color on it, and we show the editors, we show everyone, this is sheet number 16, please check it. And so it's more one of the topics of the Drupa is easy color. So on our booth of 311 meters, we have a lot of flexo machines, we have the double drum machine, we have VLF machines, and also we have a press with easy color. These are the machines we show. This is the latest model of the 46. It's a very small footprint. Yeah. Latest model of the 72. Yeah, it's also a very small footprint in this range. Normally VLF is very large, etc., etc. This is our double drum machine. What we show. We also show a digital press. They will say Drupa is a worldwide show. Yeah, but this is a two-color digital press. I think it's only for the Chinese market and Malaysian market. It's not for Europe, but Drupa is an international worldwide show, so we show it. So I don't think we're going to sell it. And there we show easy color. So easy color mentioned that on every tower of a printing press, you build, we place this kind of things, and has a total different, let's say, transportation of ink, a total different ink injection. I'm not going too deep in details, but it will show that if in spite of 150 sheets you can throw away, you can sell sheet number 15, sheet number 20 to your customer. This press is also what we show under the Drupa. Of course, Flexo, what I told. Flexo is one of the largest Flexo machine, is our 2000. Yeah, also very successful with the 2000 already in Europe. Flexo was a difficult market because it's more or less dominated by ESCO, but more and more we're getting there more our feet in between. The smallest one for label, 400S. See you Düsseldorf, also you. Thanks very much. Okay, you're welcome.